This is the typical bedroom layout you can see in every small bedroom space. But what if I told you there's a way to maximize the entire space, make it look more airy, and provide ample storage space? We have 3 small bedrooms, and we will show you how to make over each room to have a more spacious and airy feel. We are going to use these 3D models for you to visualize it better. In this video, we are going to show you a different layout in each room to maximize the space. We will give you recommendations on what materials to use, the price range of these materials, the furniture to use, the proper layout, and decors in each room. Plus, we'll provide links to similar products that you will see in this video. So feel free to check them out. Let's get started. The first thing we must do is to know the dimensions of each room. Let's begin in this bedroom. This room has dimensions of 6.6 feet by 9.8 feet with a total floor area of 64.68 square feet. As you can see, with the given dimensions, the typical furniture items here are a standard-sized bed, a nightstand, and a cabinet. But what if we change the layout of this room to create more space? What if we use a built-in furniture to save more space? Let's check it out. Let's remove all the furniture in this room. Instead of a typical bed and cabinet, why not opt for a more multifunctional one? This built-in cabinet comes with an integrated bed frame and drawers beneath it. This promotes a multi-saver approach. It is made of marine plywood, which is durable material for built-in. It offers great strength and stability due to its layered construction, which resists warping and shrinking. Let's add this full-size mattress. A 12-inch thick medium firm mattress. Next, the beddings. 100% natural linen. You can find this on Amazon. Next, attach the wall-mounted desk. This desk offers a space efficiency that saves floor space and beneficial in every small rooms. Let's go for this wall-mounted cabinet right above the desk, which improve your organization with additional storage options. With the help of this, it becomes easier for you to organize and categorize your items. Next, add this accent chair, which offers you a more comfortable feel every time you spend your time studying or doing your work. For the window treatment, let's opt for a window blind, which offer you a superior control over the amount of light entering a room. With adjustable slats, you can fine-tune how much light to let in or block out, which is particularly useful in your room where varying light levels are needed throughout the day. For more cozier, let's add this warm rug beneath your feet. And for the final touch, let's put some decors to elevate the feel in this room. Now let's take a look. We transformed this 64.68 square feet room into this. Now let's check out our second room. This room has dimensions of 10.8 feet by 8.2 feet, with a total floor area of 88.56 square feet. As you can see, the typical furniture here includes a bed, a nightstand, a cabinet, and a desk beside it. But what if we turn this one into something special? Are you ready for that makeover? Let's go! Instead of the typical bed, we're opting for a bed frame with drawers beneath it. We are going to place this in the corner. Then add the bed mattress, a 12-inch thick medium firm mattress. Next, the beddings, which are made of 100% natural linen. We'll put an accent wall above the headboard. It will be your focal point in your room that draws attention and adds a decorative element. Then let's place the modern nightstand, which features solid wood legs and luxurious gold metal pull handles, adding appealing detail to its modern design. It is adaptable to any decorating style, creating a spacious and stylish look for your space. It ranges from $59.99 up to $99.99. Next, the built-in desk. And this velvet accent chair will give you a sense of comfort. Now let's take a look at the remaining space. You still have 5 feet left. Let's add a walk-in closet. You must allocate a minimum of 36 inches of clearance for you to have enough space to move around within your closet without feeling cramped, and to provide you an access to hang your clothes and storage options. Let's now assemble the walk-in closet. This closet is made of marine plywood and good lumbers. These offer a combination of durability, aesthetic appeal, and resistance to environmental factors. We'll also put open shelves on the side to display your personal items. Now let's add the decorations. First, the rug for a cozier feel, a table lamp to add warmth, and other decor to elevate each corner of your room. Let's now take a look at how we transform this room into this. As of now, we have already made over the 2 bedrooms and are now in the last one. Let's check it out. This room measures 9.8 by 11.4 with a total floor area of 111.72 square feet. As you can see, the layout in this room looks too plain and lacks personality. To correct this, let's give it a makeover. First, remove all the furniture. Then we'll replace the old bed with a new bed frame that includes drawers beneath for additional storage options. Next, add the bed mattress and its bedding. Let's place a pendant light at the side of your bed to add warmth. An accent wall will add warmth and texture to your wall. Next, attach the built-in cabinet on the side. The end portion of the cabinet will have open shelves, perfect for showcasing your favorite decors. For the desk, let's extend it. Then, in the corner, we will place a vanity, a wall-mounted desk, and the chairs that go with it. Finally, let's add the decorations that you need. First, the rug that promotes comfort and other elements that will lift the ambiance of your room. A backlit mirror that is sleek and modern can enhance the decor in your room. The lighting adds a dramatic effect and can make your space feel more luxurious and stylish. Now we're done with the makeover for the 3 bedrooms that we have. Let's see how we made a difference in these bedrooms. We know that turning your small spaces into more functional areas can be challenging. That's why we're here for you, showing you many ways to transform your bedrooms into new ones. We hope that we have given you valuable ideas that you can use in your own room. So if you have a small space and you're not sure how to rearrange it or find possible ways to make it more spacious and airy, feel free to reach out or just comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.